Now, shifting our focus to some other stories that we are tracking is where he fought for days, weeks and months to come out of the jail, having been arrested by both the Enforcement Directorate and the CBI in the alleged Delhi liquor scam. But when Arvind Kejriwal did come out eventually, he decided to give up his chief ministerial position, a demand by his political rivals ever since. Liquorgate took centre stage in the national capital. And on Sunday, amid a crowd of supporters, Arvind Kejriwal announced that he will be stepping down as the Delhi Chief Minister in 2 days. That's not even 48 hours since he walked out of the Tihar jail, having been granted bail by the Supreme Court. Now, the Aam Aadmi Party convener did not explain his decision, but what he did say was that he will go to the people of Delhi, plead his case, and let them decide if he deserves another chance as their Chief Minister. Now, Arvind Kejriwal has also ruled out the possibility of his close aide and once AAP's number 2, Manish Sisodia, becoming the next Chief Minister.
2 दिन के बाद, आज से 2 दिन के बाद मैं सीएम की कुर्सी से इस्तीफा देने जा रहा हूं। और मैं तब तक सीएम की कुर्सी पे नहीं बैठूंगा जब तक जनता अपना फैसला ना सुना दे। मैं जनता के बीच में जाऊंगा, गली गली में जाऊंगा, घर घर में जाऊंगा, और जब तक जनता अपना फैसला ना सुना दे कि केजरीवाल ईमानदार है, तब तक मैं सीएम की कुर्सी के ऊपर नहीं बैठूंगा। आज से कुछ महीने बाद चुनाव है, दिल्ली के चुनाव हैं। मैं जनता को निवेदन करना चाहता हूं, अपील करना चाहता हूं, अगर आपको लगता है केजरीवाल ईमानदार है, मेरे पक्ष में वोट दे देना। अगर आपको लगता है केजरीवाल गुनहगार है, मेरे को वोट मत देना। जब तक चुनाव नहीं होते, तब तक मेरी जगह आम आदमी पार्टी से कोई और मुख्यमंत्री बनेगा। अगले 2-3 दिन के अंदर विधायक दल की मीटिंग होगी और विधायक दल की मीटिंग में अगले मुख्यमंत्री के नाम का तय किया जाएगा। मनीष जी का भी कहना है कि ये दिल्ली के उप मुख्यमंत्री और शिक्षा मंत्री और मंत्री का पद तभी संभालेंगे जब दिल्ली की जनता कहेगी कि मनीष सिसोदिया ईमानदार है। तो मैं और मनीष सिसोदिया, हम दोनों का फैसला आपके हाथ में है, जनता के हाथ में है। हम दोनों जनता की अदालत में जा रहे हैं, गली गली जाएंगे, जनता के बीच में जाएंगे।
Now, the Aam Aadmi Party is planning to portray Kejriwal's decision as some sort of a martyr act. The party got in a huddle to decide the next course of action. A rally has also been planned next week after Kejriwal resigns and the next Chief Minister is announced. Aam Aadmi Party continues to maintain Arvind Kejriwal is brave to step down on his own, and his political rivals are terming his resignation announced as a mere drama and a gimmick.
दिक्कत केजरीवाल में ये है कि अगर इन्होंने सत्ता अपने हाथ से किसी ऐसे के हाथ कर दी जो इनकी फाइलें खोलने लगेगा, किसी ऐसे के हाथ कर दी जो इनका वहाँ से जो झरना आ रही है पैसों की वो बंद कर देगा, तो ये तो मटिया मेट हो जाएंगे। ये कोई सामान्य ट्रांजिशन नहीं है, ये बिजनेस ट्रांजिशन है। बलिदान त्याग नहीं है, ये बिजनेस के शेयर दिए जा रहे हैं। आम आदमी पार्टी बिजनेस की इंडस्ट्री है, कभी काले धन में, कभी सफ़ेद धन में, कभी शराब का धंधा, कभी बस का धंधा, धंधे करते हैं। लेकिन इनका ये कहना कि जनता के आशीर्वाद से मैं बन जाऊंगा तो मेरे पाप धुल जाएंगे, वो दोनों अलग बात है।
But that's a matter that concerns the people of Delhi. They have elected him as Chief Minister. He wants to resign. I don't know what next step. But I think the people of Haryana have no concern or any interest whether Mr. Kejriwal is Chief Minister of Delhi or not.
मैं पहले से ही बता रहा था, राजनीति में नहीं जाना, समाज की सेवा करो, बहुत बड़ा आदमी बन जाएगा। कई साल हम लोग साथ में थे, उस टाइम बार बार मैं कह रहा था कि राजनीति में नहीं जाना, समाज सेवा ये अपने जीवन में आनंद देती है आनंद में डूबे रह रहा हूँ, लेकिन उसके दिल में नहीं लगा, कोई बात आई नहीं। और आज जो होना तो हो गया, मैं वो तो उनके दिल में क्या है मैं क्या जानना।
My colleague Teshri is joining me live right now. Well, Teshri, what we're given to understand that there is a meeting scheduled at Arvind Kejriwal's residence today this evening at around 5 p.m. What is going to be the agenda of the meeting and what are the probable names who can replace him as the Chief Minister of Delhi?
It's very clear as to what will be the agenda of this PAC meeting that is going to take place at 5 p.m. today at Arvind Kejriwal's residence. Number one, the names of the strong contenders, the runners, the front runners for the post of new Chief Minister who is set to be elected this week. These names will be discussed. These names will be put forward. Number one. Number two, after Arvind Kejriwal's tender his resignation, the new Chief Minister will take oath as the Chief Minister of Delhi, and post that the cabinet will the cabinet will also be in fact completely new, so as to then the discussion will be on what will be the portfolios allocation, and number three, the discussions will also be further held on what will be the strategy, how will the Aam Aadmi Party be interacting with the cadre, with the organizational level karyakartas, and also with the people of national capital, what messaging that they have to give, because certainly after Haryana, Delhi is also inching closer towards elections. It's said that in the month of February, the elections are all set to take place. So all in all, what kind of messaging they have to do, what will be the agenda setting theme for Aam Aadmi Party in this particular election that will help them to win the election with a larger margin. So these all will be the points that will be discussed in this particular PAC meeting. On one hand, this crucial meeting is going to take place, and on the other hand, we are also seeing the attacks that are coming in from the side of the BJP, who is also questioning the timings of the resignation, the way in which he is putting forward, he will be putting forward, or has in fact announced that he will be tendering his resignation. And also not just the BJP but also Congress is calling it nothing but just a political drama. However, Aam Aadmi Party has reacted to it and said that they want to come out, they want to in fact portray themselves and come out as someone who is very clear and clean in their image, and that is why Arvind Kejriwal has taken this his decision that he will tender his resignation. But yes, we'll have to see. It will be very interesting to see that what happens in these next more than 40 hours, and also in this particular week, and who will be elected or nominated as the new Chief Minister of the national capital.
Well, thank you, Teshri, for getting us all those details. We shall leave it at that for the moment.